The Last Word is a classic Prohibition-era cocktail that features an equal balance of 4 key ingredients, resulting in a perfectly balanced and flavorful drink. You will need the following ingredients: 3/4 of an ounce gin. Use a high-quality gin for the best flavor. 3/4 of an ounce green Chartreuse. This herbal liqueur gives the drink its distinctive complex flavor. 3/4 of an ounce Maraschino liqueur adds a sweet cherry undertone to the cocktail. 3/4 of an ounce fresh lime juice. Freshly squeezed lime juice is essential for the right acidity and balance. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, jigger, strainer, coupe glass or martini glass, ice. Here are the instructions. Add gin, green Chartreuse, Maraschino liqueur, and fresh lime juice into a cocktail shaker. Fill the shaker with ice and shake vigorously until well chilled. Strain the mixture into a chilled coupe glass or martini glass. Garnish with a cherry or a lime twist if desired. The Last Word was created in the early 1920s at the Detroit Athletic Club. It became popular again in the early 2000s thanks to the resurgence of classic cocktails,